Well, breaking ground. First day, opening up the fence, installing the culvert, and looks like cutting into it a little bit. There's some fence parts clearing out. My understanding is the workers are bringing in the big dog trucks now and some gravel, and they're going to punch in some holes to get back to where the house is going to be. So clearing out the driveway area to get in, then they'll clear out the rest of these trees. Well, not all of them, but the ones we want cleared out. It's looking good. So getting there. Another 2 days and we'll see all these trees down and some remaining. We're going to save some of the big ones and some old growth and see how it looks. So we'll see when they come back out tomorrow. Looks like we're going to have to find a new home for the squirrel up there. So on to the next one. See you soon.